Ekweku TV. Onye na-akpọ?
Ochakamaka. All the messages I've been sending to you, you didn't even care to reply me.
Which message?
New Year message now.
It's a New Year message.
Yes, now. Wish me sound health, money, love, you know now.
Listen, I was about calling you to tell you to stop running my battery down with that nonsense.
Ochakamaka.
My friend, leave this place. Dala. Ndowa.
Ocha.
Wish you sound health. Wish you money. Wish you love. If I wish you money, you shout amen and money will come. You want money, but the only plan you know how to draw in your life is with your eye pencil. You can draw the map of a continent in your eyebrow, but you cannot draw a single business plan. And you want money. I should wish you money. Lemien. Dala. You are even talking about love. You want love, and you are busy frustrating a young man who has been fighting, begging, kneeling down to love you. You want him to own a private jet at the age of 30, while your father in the village cannot boast of a wheelbarrow. He cannot boast of a wheelbarrow at the age of 60. Dala. People like you are busy flooding Facebook comment area with amen everywhere. You want sound health. You want me to wish you sound health. You want sound health, and that sour de goosey is still tasting wonderful to you. It's still tasting wonderful to you even after 1 week of amendment. You keep amending it with onions and pepper and red oil. Don't be surprised because your neighbor told me yesterday. I came to your house after spending my hard-earned money to cook egusi for you. You are too lazy to warm it. Now the face of egusi looks like a soured emotion paint, and you are still enjoying it. And you want sound health. You want me to wish you sound health. Ngwano, I wish you sound health. Ngwa, say amen. Dala. Ndowa. Hey! Please, write us on WhatsApp to tell us any video you want us to do. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video. Thank you.